It's time to level up your life for credit card rewards. You're a high performer? You crush deadlines, smash goals, and always strive for the best. Why settle for mediocrity in your personal life? Credit card rewards are your secret weapon to unlock incredible experiences. Think luxurious vacations, gourmet dinners, and unforgettable adventures, all while sticking to a budget. It's time to level up your life and reap the rewards you deserve. This isn't about being frivolous, it's about smart spending, strategic planning, and squeezing every ounce of value from your hard-earned dollars. The credit card game. Your winning strategy. Think of credit card rewards like a game. The goal? Maximize your points and miles to unlock incredible travel experiences and perks. The key to winning? Understanding the rules and playing strategically. This isn't about accumulating debt, it's about harnessing the power of responsible credit card use to your advantage. By mastering a few simple techniques and choosing the right cards for your spending habits, you can turn everyday purchases into extraordinary adventures. Picking your arsenal. The right cards for maximum rewards. Not all credit cards are created equal. Some offer paltry rewards, while others shower you with points and miles for your loyalty. The first step to maximizing your rewards is choosing the right cards for your spending habits. Start by analyzing your monthly expenses. Do you spend heavily on dining and entertainment? Are you a frequent flyer? Once you understand your spending patterns, you can choose cards that offer bonus rewards in those categories. The sign-up bonus bonanza. Free travel, here we come. Imagine the thrill of jet-setting to your dream destination without spending a dime on airfare. It sounds too good to be true, but with the right strategy, it's entirely possible. One of the quickest ways to supercharge your rewards balance is by capitalizing on sign-up bonuses. These bonuses are like golden tickets, offering you a fast track to free travel. Many credit cards offer a hefty chunk of points or miles simply for signing up and meeting a minimum spending requirement within the first few months. This means that with a bit of planning and strategic spending, you can unlock a world of travel opportunity. For example, it's not uncommon for credit cards to offer 60 to over 100,000 bonus points after spending a certain amount within the first 3 months. These points can be a game changer, opening doors to destinations you've always dreamed of visiting. That's enough points for a round-trip flight to Hawaii. Picture yourself lounging on the pristine beaches, exploring volcanic landscapes, and immersing yourself in the vibrant culture, all thanks to those bonus points. By strategically applying for cards and hitting their minimum spending requirements that you would have hit anyways, you can quickly accumulate a treasure trove of points for your next adventure. Remember, do not overspend in order to hit the minimum spending. Think of it as a game where the goal is to collect as many points as possible. Each card you add to your collection brings you closer to your next getaway. The key is to stay organized and keep track of your spending to ensure you meet the requirements without overspending. Beyond the sign-up bonus, credit cards offer ongoing rewards and credits for everyday spending, which can further boost your points balance. From groceries to gas, every purchase can bring you closer to your next adventure. So start planning, start applying, and start dreaming. Free travel is within your reach, and with the right strategy, you'll be on your way to exploring new horizons in no time. Free travel, here we come. Everyday spending, extraordinary rewards. Turning groceries into getaways. Here's the beauty of credit card rewards. You're already spending money on everyday essentials, so why not get rewarded for it? By using the right credit cards for your daily purchases, you can turn mundane expenses into extraordinary travel experiences. Some cards offer 4 points per dollar spent at grocery stores. Your weekly grocery bill of $200 just earned you 800 points that bring you closer to that dream vacation. Over time, these seemingly small rewards add up to big savings and unforgettable experiences. The multiplier effect. Supercharging rewards on dining and travel. Remember those cards we talked about choosing based on your spending habits? Here's where the magic really happens. By strategically using cards that offer bonus rewards in specific categories, You can supercharge your points earning potential. Let's say you're a foodie who loves exploring new restaurants. Using a credit card that offers 3 points per dollar spent at restaurants means your $100 dinner just earned you 300 points. Points that could be redeemed for a free night at a boutique hotel. Points over cashback. Unlock the true value of your rewards. Many people often overlook the potential of their credit card points and miles, opting instead for the simplicity of cash back. But what if you could turn those points into unforgettable experiences? While cashback may seem tempting, points and miles offer significantly greater value, particularly when redeemed for travel. Imagine flipping through travel brochures and realizing that your points could take you to destinations you've only dreamed of. Think of it this way: would you rather have $50 cash back or a $500 flight? The choice seems obvious when you consider the experiences and memories that travel can bring. By researching the redemption value of your points and miles, you can maximize their worth and unlock experiences that far outweigh their cash equivalent. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the adventures and stories you'll gain. For example, 100,000 points could be redeemed for $1,000 in cashback, which might seem like a good deal at first glance. Or they could be used to book a luxurious overwater bungalow in the Maldives worth several $1,000s. The cash equivalent of 1 point is typically 1 cent. However, when strategically redeeming for travel, each point can earn you 2 cents, 5 cents, and sometimes over 10 cents. So if you get 4 times the points on groceries and get 10 cents to the point, that's like earning 40% cash back on groceries when redeeming for travel. Take the time to research and understand the best ways to use your points. Talk to travel experts, read blogs, and join forums where people share their success stories. You'll find that with a little effort, you can stretch your points much further than you ever imagined. So next time you're tempted to take the easy route with cashback, remember the incredible experiences that points and miles can unlock. From exotic vacations to special moments with loved ones, the true value of your rewards goes far beyond their monetary equivalent. Start unlocking the true value of your rewards today and turn your everyday spending into extraordinary experiences. Your next adventure is just a few points away. Travel hacking. Redeeming points for maximum value. Redeeming your points and miles strategically is crucial to maximizing their value. Don't fall into the trap of redeeming for gift cards or statement credits, which often offer the lowest redemption rates. Instead, focus on travel redemptions, particularly for flights and hotels. By transferring your points to airline and hotel loyalty programs, you can often score incredible deals and upgrades that wouldn't be possible with cash. Annual fees. The misconception. Another trap that people fall into is choosing credit cards with no annual fees. While it may seem scary to pay a few $100s a year for a credit card, these credit cards are often the ones with the highest rewards. Think about it. There's a reason why credit card companies market the cards with no annual fees, because those are the cards that most people want and will earn people the lowest rewards, thus benefiting the credit card companies. But by just doing a little bit of research, you'll notice that the rewards and credits always outweigh the annual fees. Would you rather earn $300 in rewards with a no annual fee card, or earn $2,000 in rewards with a $500 annual fee card? Your action plan. From points novice to rewards rockstar, ready to embark on your credit card rewards journey? Here's your action plan, a step-by-step guide to transform you from a points novice into a rewards rockstar. 1. Analyze your spending habits. Take a close look at where your money goes each month. Are you spending more on groceries, dining out, or travel? Understanding your spending patterns is crucial to maximizing your rewards. 2. Choose the right cards for your needs. Not all credit cards are created equal. Some offer better rewards for dining, while others are great for travel or everyday purchases. Research and select multiple cards that align with your spending habits. 3. Sign up for cards with lucrative bonus offers. Sign up for the first credit card, meet the spending requirements within the first few months, and earn your reward. Then sign up for the next one, and so on. Remember, you cannot sign up for more than 5 credit cards within a 24-month period. 4. Use your cards strategically for all your purchases. Make sure to use the right card for the right purchase to maximize your rewards. Do not overspend, and make sure you always pay your full balance every month. 5. Track your points and miles diligently. Keep an eye on your rewards balance and expiration dates. Plan your usage of points into the future and when you will spend them. 6. Redeem your rewards for maximum value, focusing on travel experiences. Research websites that help you redeem and transfer your points for maximum value. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a credit card rewards rock star. Not only will you unlock incredible travel experiences, but you'll also enjoy the financial benefits of smart credit card use. So, start your journey today and live your best life, filled with adventures and unforgettable moments.